Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, YouTube family and friends. Lord have mercy. This truck it's a truck that came directly beside me, y'all. Sometime through the night, day, well, I don't even know, but it just woke me up. All the noise probably just came, but I hear the noise. Anyway, y'all, I'm just now waking up. I was woke earlier, but it was too early, so I fell asleep. I went back to sleep, but I'm just now waking up. But anyway, I had said I was gonna show y'all this. Oh, this truck is so loud. I said I was gonna show y'all the back window. I mean the back curtain being up, and this is the back curtain. But let me show y'all how I got up here with these little. I don't even know if y'all can see. No, you can't even see, but they up there with the little safety pins. They up there, let me see. Okay, let's see. Nah, yeah, you can't see with the little safe. You can't see. I see the little safety pins. Yeah. That's a safety pin. Let's see. This is a safety pin. Yeah, they up here with safety pins. All the curtains. Hold on. Anyway, these. So yeah, I told y'all about the sun visor. I didn't use the black curtain last night for the front window. I had used the sun visor, so you'll see. Look, see, it's way too big for my sunroof. Way too. I mean, I said for my sunroof. Lord have mercy. For my for my windshield, it's way too big. And then I had these two little fans on last night. Lord, it felt so good. It felt so good. I didn't use no cover. I didn't use no cover last night because it was kind of hot. I didn't feel no type of breeze, no type of breeze, and I left the windows cracked a little bit, all four of them. Even though that black screen stuff is only on the front two, I left the back two cracked a little bit also because it was no breeze. It wasn't nothing blowing. And so I just used the two little fans, and then when I got a little cool, I turned them off through the night. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all let me show y'all this truck. Look, look. Directly beside me. Look how many out here. Can y'all? I hope y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see. I hope y'all can see. But that one that's right beside me. Um, the engine is just running. It's so loud, so loud. But okay, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all how the back is set up, how the back curtain be up at night. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.